Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon search reports to scale your business. Let's get into it. Amazon's Search Query Performance Report offers unique visibility into how a brand performs across search terms by showing impression share, click share, and purchase share across both organic and paid placements. Unlike business reports or sponsored ads reports, the data in Search Query Performance does not reconcile directly. Instead, it provides a macro-level view, enabling sellers to assess how their brand is competing in the marketplace for specific search terms. This report should not be used to match exact figures from business or ad performance. It is designed to track movement and trends. The primary value lies in tracking how search term share evolves over time. Even small changes in impression share, such as a 1% increase, can signal significant growth in a competitive keyword. For high-impact terms, this can translate into measurable gains in both traffic and sales. The report is particularly useful for evaluating the effectiveness of off-Amazon campaigns. For instance, if a brand is running external advertising on platforms like Meta or Google, the Search Query Performance Report can help determine whether those campaigns resulted in an increase in search impressions on Amazon. It is recommended to focus on a select group of high-priority keywords rather than attempting to analyze market share across an entire category. By narrowing the focus, sellers can measure and act on specific levers, whether through listing optimization, increased advertising investment, or creative testing. When paired with advertising strategy, the report becomes even more actionable. Low click or purchase share, despite high impression share, can indicate areas where listing presentation or ad strategy may need improvement. Conversely, high purchase share for a term may suggest opportunities to scale budgets or explore variations. The Search Query Performance Report also allows filtering at the brand or ASIN level. Amazon has recently made extended historical data available, offering insights across up to 12 months. This enables deeper analysis of seasonal trends and long-term keyword performance. Due to the lack of API access, some brands and service providers may overlook this report. However, it remains one of the most powerful tools available for identifying growth opportunities at both the listing and portfolio level. In summary, Amazon's Search Query Performance Report should be a central part of strategic planning. It enables brands to measure their position in the marketplace, align advertising and content strategies with real-time data, and identify high-value search terms that can unlock new levels of scale. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.